Lately, I've been going through a lot of changes behind the scenes. I recently left my working salon space and moved my business back home. And honestly, restarting isn't easy. 1 minute, I'm thinking about assignments, classes, tests, and deadline. The next minute, I'm replying clients, booking appointments, creating content, braiding hair, editing videos, and trying to stay active online. But one thing I've learned is that starting over doesn't mean you failed. Sometimes, you need to step back, reset, and rebuild things in a way that actually works for you. I still want to grow my brand, build a bigger space, attract amazing clients, and create something I can call mine. So while I'm juggling being a student and rebuilding my business from home, I'm choosing to trust the process.